What will happen to the price of Bitcoin if Donald Trump or Kamala Harris becomes the next president of the United States? With the political landscape constantly changing, many are wondering how U.S. politics will impact the cryptocurrency market. Today, we'll explore the impact of recent statements from major financial players like BlackRock, along with key developments in the XRP ETF and regulatory outlook. We'll also look at how these dynamics could impact the future of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. News of Grayscale's introduction of the first XRP trust in the United States has sparked speculation about a possible XRP-based exchange-traded fund, ETF. This signal of institutional approval has raised expectations about how the cryptocurrency could evolve in the short term. Interestingly, Grayscale isn't the only one making major moves in this space. BlackRock, one of the world's largest investment firms, recently made statements that Bitcoin could become a hedge against rising global turmoil and has released its confidence in fiat currencies and governments. This news comes at a crucial time, with PayPal expanding its support for cryptocurrencies, marking another step toward mainstream adoption. Despite all the buzz, cryptocurrencies were surprisingly not discussed during the recent presidential debate. This is strange considering that over 50 million U.S. citizens own cryptocurrency and that 73% of them say that digital asset policies will influence their vote in the next election. According to a recent report from Gemini, the majority of cryptocurrency holders in the United States consider candidates' digital policies an important factor in deciding who to vote for. But how much could presidential politics actually affect the price of cryptocurrency? Bernstein, a major financial research firm, predicts that if Trump wins the election, the price of Bitcoin could reach $90,000 by the end of the year. If Kamala Harris is elected, the forecast is $30,000. But how do we interpret these numbers? Is it really possible that the market will react so dramatically depending on who wins the election? According to Standard Chartered, a Trump victory could take Bitcoin to $125,000, while under Harris it could stabilize around $75,000. These predictions raise many questions and there is a heated debate about which scenario is more realistic. To better understand the situation, it is useful to listen to the opinion of experts such as Sergey Nazarov, founder of Chainlink, who believes that cryptocurrency adoption is inevitable. Nazarov stresses that regardless of the election outcome, blockchain is a global technology, and international competition will eventually force the United States to adopt it on a large scale. However, the speed at which the United States adopts cryptocurrency may depend on the incumbent president. His vision is clear: while a more crypto-friendly candidate might accelerate adoption in the United States, external pressure from other nations already embracing the technology will inevitably push the United States to not be left behind. In other words, regardless of who wins the election, cryptocurrency adoption will still happen, but on a different timescale. Bitcoin is often described as a digital version of gold, with the potential to become a major store of value. Jack Mallers, CEO of a Bitcoin company, offered an interesting perspective on this comparison, leaving well-known gold critic Peter Schiff speechless. Mallers points out that one of gold's main flaws is its reliance on governments and third parties to finalize transactions. Bitcoin, on the other hand, eliminates the need for intermediaries, offering a decentralized and secure network for transactions. Historically, gold has failed to adapt to an increasingly interconnected global economy because it requires centralization to operate at scale. Bitcoin solves this problem by offering a peer-to-peer network that is not dependent on banks or governments, making it an especially attractive asset in times of economic uncertainty. An often overlooked aspect of cryptocurrency discussions is their impact on national security. With Russia becoming the second largest Bitcoin mining country in the world, control of digital assets like Bitcoin takes on a geopolitical dimension. Countries working on a Bitcoin standard can transact outside of government sanctions, making it increasingly important for the United States to maintain a dominant position in Bitcoin mining and holding. Currently, 40% of global Bitcoin mining takes place in the United States, but it is essential that the country continues to invest in this technology to not lose ground. Strategic ownership of blockchain space is not just an economic issue, but also a matter of geopolitical influence. In the past, the U.S. dominance of global gold reserves has allowed the country to exert significant influence on global financial markets. The same principle now applies to Bitcoin, as the world moves toward a digital currency economy. Finally, a major development in the cryptocurrency world is the FTX case and the upcoming sentencing of Caroline Ellison, former CEO of Alameda Research. Her role in the FTX collapse has captured the media's attention, with many wondering what her sentence will be. His cooperation with prosecutors led his legal team to request that he receive no prison sentence, arguing that he fully understood his responsibilities and actively cooperated with the investigation. By comparison, other FTX executives have received harsher sentences, including Ryan Salami, who was sentenced to 6.5 years in prison, more than prosecutors had requested. Ellison's sentencing is set for September 24 and represents a crucial test for the legal system in determining how to treat those who cooperated with the investigation. Ellison's sentencing is set for September 24 and represents a crucial test for the legal system in determining how to treat those who cooperated with the investigation. In short, the cryptocurrency world is constantly evolving, and the political landscape plays a key role in influencing the future of Bitcoin and other digital assets. With so many developments underway, from XRP trusts to ETFs to the United States' stance on Bitcoin mining, it's clear that the future of cryptocurrency is tied to critical political and geopolitical decisions. With that said, thanks for following us this far. Don't waste your next crypto flight. Thanks for being with us. If you want to stay updated on the latest news in the crypto world and not waste a crypto adventure, hit that follow button and activate the bell. Ready to go? Then see you in the next video.